If you want to disable backup in OneDrive, this video will walk you through it step by step in just a few minutes. This is a really useful fix if you do not want OneDrive automatically backing up folders like desktop, documents, or pictures on your PC. Maybe you want more control over your files, maybe you are trying to stop sync issues, or maybe you simply do not want those folders tied to the cloud anymore. Whatever the reason, I will show you exactly how to turn it off safely. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look down at your taskbar and find the Microsoft OneDrive Cloud icon. This is usually near the bottom right corner of your screen, alongside your system icons. If you do not see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive Cloud, click it to open the OneDrive panel. From here, you will want to click the gear icon in the top corner. That gear icon opens the settings menu, which is where all the backup and sync options are located. After that, click settings. This will open the OneDrive settings window on your computer. In the settings menu, look for the section called Sync and Backup. This is the area that controls which folders OneDrive is protecting and syncing in the background. Click Sync and Backup to open those options. Now you should see an option called Manage Backup. This is the key setting we need for turning off OneDrive backup on specific folders. Go ahead and click Manage Backup. Here, OneDrive will show you the folders that are currently being backed up, usually desktop, documents, and pictures. If you want to disable backup for any of these folders, simply turn off the folders you no longer want backed up. You may see a toggle or a stop option next to each folder. Choose desktop, documents, pictures, or whichever folder you want to disconnect from OneDrive. Once you select the folder, click Stop Backup for that folder. If OneDrive asks you to confirm the action, go ahead and confirm it. This is normal because OneDrive wants to make sure you really want to stop syncing that folder to the cloud. Repeat the same process for any other folder you want to remove from backup. When you are finished, OneDrive will stop automatically backing up those folders, and new changes in those locations will no longer sync to OneDrive. Now, this is an important part that many people miss. Stopping backup does not delete the files that are already stored in OneDrive. Your existing cloud files should still remain there, so you are not losing anything already uploaded. What changes is that future edits, new files, and new changes in those folders will no longer be copied to OneDrive unless you turn backup back on again. So if you were worried about deleting your files, you can relax a bit. This only stops the automatic backup connection. If you ever decide you want it back later, you can return to the same sync and the backup section and turn the folders back on again. So that is how to disable backup in OneDrive on Windows. Just open the OneDrive Cloud icon, go into Settings, choose Sync and Backup, select Manage Backup, and stop backup for the folders you no longer want synced. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.